Now we'll learn about the SI engine combustion chambers. So what are the basics requirement of the good combustion chamber? We'll see them first and then we will go through the types of combustion chamber. So a combustion chamber should give high power output, high thermal efficiency with the low specific fuel consumption. The engine operation should be smoother. It should give the less exhaust emissions to reduce the pollution, high volumetric efficiency, minimum length of flame travel, and provision of suitable quench region are some of the good qualities of the combustion chamber. Here we'll go through different designs sketches of the combustion chamber. The first is T-head combustion chamber. We'll observe here in the T-head combustion chamber, this is the inlet valve, and here we'll have a exhaust valve. In case of L-head combustion chamber, the inlet exhaust valve are overlapping. In case of Ricardo turbulence combustion chamber, here we'll have the inlet exhaust, here inlet and exhaust similar to the L head, but here we have a extension to the combustion chamber for the proper mixing of the charge. Then here we will have a overhead combustion chamber where this portion is extended. Then we will have F-head combustion chamber where the inlet is given from this side and exhaust chamber is designed in such a way. Now hemispherical chamber where a hemispherical crown-like piston and the cylinder shape we will observe. Now I-head combustion chamber also one of the combustion chamber. Then L-head uh, also the design shown by a schematic. This is I-head combustion chamber. Now we'll see the description of waste type and one more type. So in waste type, it is having the spark plug position off center in the widest part of the wedge. The intake and exhaust valves are usually positioned next to each other. The air-fuel mixture is compressed into an area called the quench area as the piston travel through the combustion stroke to top dead center. The quench area helps in mixing the air and fuel before the combustion. Now, in case of hemispherical combustion chamber, the uh, what happened that it is having a rounded shape, hemispherical shape. So when the piston is at top dead center, the combustion chamber resembles a half ball. Hence, the name given hemispherical. Now, this design allows the intake and exhaust valve typically located across from each other with the spark plug placed between them to be angled in the cylinder head. This cross-flow arrangement provides better scavenging, lower pumping loss, and better fuel efficiency. Now, you may see the design wedge type combustion chamber, wedge like structure. This is the hemispherical, and this is the pent roof type structure. Now, we'll see the advantages and drawback of each type of combustion chamber. T-head combustion chamber. So, it is easy to manufacture the flat cylinder head, uh, lower height of engine and front hood for better frontal visibility of vehicle. Drawback: longer length of flame travel, increased detonation tendency. L-head: neat and compact layout, easy to lubricate valve, easy to decarbonize the engine. Drawback: lack of turbulence, extremely prone to detonation, extremely sensitive to ignition timing, slow combustion. Ricardo turbulent head side valve combustion chamber. Faster flame speed, reduced detonation, homogeneous air-fuel mixture ratio. Drawback: inefficient operation as compared to list engine with compression ratio of 10:1. F-head combustion chamber. Flat roof allows use of an inlet valve bigger than exhaust valve. Valve and plug cooling is efficient. Drawback: complex valve operating mechanism. Next is I-head combustion chamber. So, wage form and bathtub form of combustion chamber, it is actually advantages. lower pumping losses and higher volumetric efficiency, less distance of flame travel, therefore low octane requirement, more uniform cooling of cylinder and piston, lower surface to volume ratio and therefore less heat loss, easier to cast and hence lower casting cost. Drawback. Large slice valve cannot be accommodated. Valve operating mechanism get disturbed while decarbonizing combustion chamber. Now from next class we will see the combustion in CI engine. Thank you.